Merry meet magical souls, welcome back to another video. So we're doing another haul today, and I got some fun things for like the Halloween season. I didn't get too many things because a lot of stuff wasn't on sale at Michael's, and I want to wait for that crazy sale to go ahead and get all the good stuff that's going to be happening soon. But long story short, I got two of these big mason jars for Michael's so I could go ahead and put my herbs in here, guys, for my plants. This is a bunch of lavender inside, and I can go ahead and make my witchy magical brew, and it's cool because I can use each one of these jars that I bought to do like a whole lavender version, and I'll blank of another plant version, and then get the magical like oil and put it in each like little potion vial and make like a potion concoction with it with all the different herbs. And I can just do solid ones too, so I was really excited to get these huge mason jars. So I got two of those, and I went ahead and got some candles, guys. So I got these nice pillar candles for Michael's, because I also got these over here. I got these like clear glass containers from the dollar store that you could put your pillar candles in, and I have pictures and videos with it like this in the past, guys. It's just really nice and gives your little space a different feel. It's always fun to change up your ambiance. And I have another one of those. I try not to show the duplicates because it's kind of boring, but I got that. And then from the dollar store I went ahead and got these white taper candles. I wanted to get one for each color of the element, but they were out, guys, so it kind of sucked. And I went ahead and got this silver candle too. They had some silver ones, just this pack, and that was it. And it was already open, and I'm like, a little bit ghetto, a little bit ratchet. It's already open, but it's the only one. I'm gonna take it. I want the silver candle for a certain magic that you might need that color, so I went ahead and got that. And a bunch of goodies from Dollar Tree, guys. But going on with the fun Halloween theme, this was like the one piece I like allowed myself to go ahead and get at Michael's, and it is this mirror. I saw like Jade the Libra go ahead and haul this or like vlog it at our Michael's, and I was like, I need this mirror. It was the last one, guys, and I went ahead and got it, and it's giving me total like Bone Witch vibes. I love it so much, and it's gonna look cute over there in this corner. I made it like my little vanity mirror so I can go ahead, get ready for the day and do my makeup. So I have more stuff, guys. I guess I'll show these two. My cat's already trying to play with these. I got these for like my altar. They're like these sparkly blue, like midnight, like House of Night vibe leaves. So I'm gonna go ahead and have these on my altar. I think like all year round it meets Halloween. I think it would be really cool sitting like this with my Goddess Nyx statue in the middle. So I went ahead and got these festive, Halloweenish foliage. So I have that, guys, and what else do I have? I bought these crystals from Michael's to go ahead and add some magic to some stuff I bought my friends. So I got amethyst one and a lapis lazuli crystal strands. And I went to the crystal shop today and got some crystals, guys, but let's do more of the Halloween stuff. So I went ahead and I got this lighter. So this is definitely like a witchy Halloween decor haul, guys, for Halloween, but like with real magic, with someone who practices magic. Your high priestess over here. So I went ahead and bought 4 of these, guys. They were so cheap at Dollar Tree. They're like fun Halloween ribbons, and like they cost so much more at Michael's, but you can go ahead, go to Dollar Tree, find yourself some cute ribbon that you can use to pimp out your space. So I went ahead and got those, and I got these sparkly like spiders that are Halloween, guys. These black spiders that I could go ahead and use. They're called like spider ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I can go ahead and have them hanging down on my fall decor, and then boom, you got yourself your space decked out for Halloween. And I got me some of these sparkly bats too. So simple little easy clip-on hangies, guys, and this makes your fall decor turn into Halloween decor super quick. So I feel like I got good deals at the dollar store to get those things, and I got me a cute little statement piece. And I went ahead and got me, along the magical vibe of things, the Millennium Puzzle, if you guys know Yu-Gi-Oh! So I got myself my Millennium Puzzle again, guys, so it's gonna be looking really cool. And I got myself the Egyptian God cards. I've always wanted these when I was little, so now I can work with the energy of the Egyptian gods in my magic. I got Obelisk the Tormentor, Cypher the Sky Dragon, and the Winged Dragon of Ra. And then of course we have to get the iconic Dark Magician and Dark Magician Girl, so can't wait to be working with my magical friends in my magic. And then, long story short, my tweezers disappeared, so I have to buy a new pair of tweezers. I know, guys, really random. And we got ourselves our little blue bag. It's funny because it matches my shirt when I went ahead to go shopping today. So I got a super good deal on these, guys. I got 4 of these awesome clear quartz clusters, and I'm gonna go ahead and charge these up in the moon and the sun. and use these to add an extra layer of protection to my home, guys, to grid my home with these clear quartz clusters. Honestly, I don't even want to do that. I want to just use them on my altar for photo shoots, for when I do my little spells, and put them around my room, but I totally want more protection in my home. And with my magic going on in the background for my Witch's Moon box this month was totally all about protection and being guarded and guided from your guides. So I'm definitely going to have to go ahead and use these guys in my house grid for protection. But like honestly, these would make some awesome cluster necklaces. Some really cool like arm cuffs, like channeling those like ancient days when they had the like cool stuff, have like a big arm bangle. I'd love these, they're just so magical. So I got 4 of these big 12, and they're actually Lemurian quartz too, guys, so they got those lines on there you can meditate with. I got those to grid my home, and tried not to go too crazy today, guys. I got 2 pieces of smoky quartz too. So these 2 smoky quartz tumbles. This one has a lot of gold in it, like golden relations and just gold in here, guys. I think this is like a golden healer inside of a smoky quartz, which I've never heard of, which is pretty cool. That's like kind of rare. So I went ahead and got these because smoky quartz is good to have by your door, by the front of your home, guys. So I went ahead and got these. So I'm trying to give my home a little more love, a little bit more protection. And then I got a couple more things in here, guys. This one totally gave me, because it's funny with like the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff I got, this gives me like the Eye of Horus vibe, those Egyptian eyes. Like it's just totally giving me that vibe that I could glue onto my little Book of Shadows that I have here, guys. So I think it would be really cute to like glue that on here. And then I bought this little amethyst charm too, guys. It's like a little amethyst necklace pendant, but I'm going ahead and I'm going to use it on my little book to add a little bit of extra magic. I feel like there's so much magic and good vibes in my Book of Shadows already, guys, but just adding on those little extra things for protection and enhancing the magical power and the aesthetic is awesome. And like you guys can see, my Rainbow Moonstone ring, I got a little cabochon of it. It's really hard to see, guys, but I think I'm going to go ahead and super glue it onto like right here of my book where this little snap opens. I think I'm going to glue it right there, and I think it's going to look really cute. And if I glue this up here, I'm going to have to get more crystals and charms to glue on it, but I think it'll be really fun. So I got that, guys, and I think that's everything from my haul that I have at the moment. I might have gotten some other things, but totally forgot. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this magical video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you guys can be notified for more future videos. And I honestly can't wait to actually get some more Halloween stuff. Like the only big purchase, like you guys can tell, was me getting this. I got it for 40% off at Michael's, and there were other things I saw in my vlog that you guys have probably seen by now that I wanted, but I'm like, it's okay, just wait till it's 40% off, like save some of that hard-earned money, you know, like in a couple weeks when it's more closer to October, guys, because it is August when I'm filming this video, like things are gonna be 40% off, all the Halloween decor, so I just need to wait and I can go ahead and get me a good deal on that stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video like I said, guys, and of course, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. I also got the champagne, guys, for me and my friends hang out. Got the goods. Can we also talk about my necklaces, guys? I got this from their Witch's Moon box and this one from their Witch's Bounty box, which is the Aqua Aura Quartz, and they just pair so good together, that like moon energy. I just love it. It's amazing. Definitely check them out down below, guys.